me now, baby, is it good to you? Can it do to you that?
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Akriti Yunus, and for those of you who don't know, I did my political science honors from Jesus and Mary College, and it's been more than a year since I graduated. But today I'm going to go back to JMC to finally get my degree and officially graduate, and I'm going to take you all along with me today. But before we go out, let's get ready first. I'm going to apply moisturizer, and I realized this much later, but even if you have oily skin, moisturizer is really important. After moisturizer, the next step is to apply sunscreen, and I'm almost out of it, so it shows that I am regular with my sunscreen application. This is the bag that I'm taking today. This bag was sent to me by Zook, and I am obsessed with this bag. This bag is so aesthetic, and this is not just pretty looking but also vegan and made in India. I always look for bags which are spacious and sturdy because I actually have to carry a lot of books which tend to get heavy. So their bags are perfect if you're a college going student or even an office going person. They have a wide range of affordable bags, wallets and footwear which are not only aesthetic but also sustainable, handcrafted and cruelty free. So if you want to check them out, I will leave their links in the description box below. And you can also use my code YTAkriti15 to get 15% off on your purchase. This way you can make a conscious decision to indulge into a cruelty free approach. The top that I'm wearing, and these are the pants. Excuse the messy room. This is my outfit and I love it. Waiting for the metro as usual. So I know how to drive, I just avoid driving. But I also like to tell everybody that I know how to drive. Let's go and get a degree.
Cause I don't wanna live my life this blue. I just wanna spend my time with you.
Cute shoes, definitely not the most comfortable, but it goes with the neutral brown vibe that's going on. There are two types of girls. Guys, I'm inside JMC and I didn't think कि proper full-fledged college चल रहा होगा, but यहाँ पे सब हैं and I almost forgot कि कैसी होती हैं JMC की लड़कियाँ. चलता फिरता fashion show. The vibes are always immaculate when you come back to JMC. Now let's just go and get the degree. The person at the office was actually very sweet to me.
Don't mind, I might try to see you later. Yeah.
It actually feels like I'm still in college and I'm still scared of the teacher. I did not know कि political science honors को राजनीति शास्त्र बोलते हैं.
Do you want my cap? What is wrong with you?
Thought that my graduation is going to be amazing. We are going to have a great convocation and all of that, but COVID really messed up with a lot of things. But it is what it is. Now the only things that are left is to, I think, explore the campus, see what has changed and then go back home.
Cut a 6-inch valley through the middle of my soul. And at night I wake up with a sheet soaking wet and a freight train running through the middle of my head. Only you cool my desire.
Today I'm going to take you inside the canteen. As I can see, it has completely changed. And the bhel puri wala bhaiya that used to sit here has changed its place. Let's go inside the canteen. Although it will be very difficult for me to speak inside because बहुत भीड़ है obviously. Let's go.
Sometimes it's like someone took a knife, baby, edgy and dark, cut a 6-inch right.
Came out of the canteen, didn't have anything because I'm not hungry. The canteen has become more spacious, more cooking space, more sitting space. I just miss the bhel puri wale bhaiya so much. I have taken my degree now और अब मेरे पास बहाने ख़त्म हो चुके हैं बार बार आने के लिए. Super sad. Things end. You have to move on. Guys, I don't know why मैं हमेशा emotional speeches क्यों देती हूँ JMC आके, but I guess we are going to go home now. Got my degree. Closed as usual.
My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind.
The streets of Paris. This has become now the Bhel Puri Sev Puri corner. Everybody is eating here. Dogs of JMC. Bye bye JMC. For real. So I'm going to this really cute coffee shop near my place. I'm obsessed with that coffee shop. I order coffee from there. I come here every other day. We are just gonna go there and have coffee or something before going home. This place is usually quiet, but today there are few people, and I like places where there are less people.
Best way to spend a day in it when you're only making $10 every 60 minutes. Let's clock out, you and me, one around West County. Take my hand, shop and see, only get paid out. We can go.
The owner of the coffee shop is so cute, so we were taking pictures outside this coffee shop, and he switched on the fans for us. I mean, how sweet is that? Anyway, thank you so much for watching my little vlog. I hope you all liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my